Have you felt the increasing intensity of climate change? The World Meteorological Organization, or WMO, has alarming news about greenhouse gas emissions. The WMO Greenhouse Gas Bulletin reveals that ongoing CO2 emissions from human activities and the rise in wildfires are key factors driving climate change. This situation risks creating a dangerous feedback loop. Since the 1960s, CO2 growth rates have surged, tripling from an annual average increase of 0.8 ppm to 2.4 ppm. Between 2023 and 2024, the global average concentration of CO2 skyrocketed by 3.5 ppm, marking the largest increase since measurements began in 1957. WMO Deputy Secretary General Co. Barrett warns that the heat trapped by greenhouse gases is intensifying our climate and causing extreme weather events. Reducing emissions is vital for both climate stability and economic safety. Additionally, methane and nitrous oxide concentrations are hitting record highs. These gases, crucial contributors to global warming, are primarily emitted from human activities. To combat this crisis, WMO released its annual bulletin to inform the upcoming UN Climate Change Conference in November. The COP30 meeting in Belém, Brazil, is a pivotal moment to accelerate climate action. Expanding greenhouse gas monitoring is essential. Since the bulletin's first publication in 2004, CO2 levels measured rose significantly, from 377.1 ppm to 423.9 ppm in 2024. Currently, about half of annual CO2 emissions linger in the atmosphere, while the rest is absorbed by Earth's ecosystems and oceans. However, this is temporary. Rising global temperatures lead to reduced ocean absorption and less effective land sinks. The record increase from 2023 to 2024 largely originated from wildfires and diminished CO2 uptake, coinciding with an exceptionally warm year characterized by a strong El Niño effect. During El Niño, CO2 levels climb due to drier vegetation and devastating forest fires, contributing to record droughts in places like the Amazon. Experts fear deteriorating terrestrial and ocean CO2 sinks will lead to more atmospheric CO2, exacerbating global warming. Sustaining greenhouse gas monitoring is vital for understanding these patterns. Today's emissions not only shape our climate now but also have lasting effects for centuries due to CO2's long atmospheric lifespan. Methane, responsible for about 16% of warming, has a lifespan of roughly 9 years. About 40% of methane comes from natural sources, while 60% is anthropogenic, including emissions from cattle and fossil fuels. In 2024, global methane concentration reached 1942 parts per billion, dramatically exceeding pre-industrial levels. Nitrous oxide, a significant greenhouse gas, arises from both natural and human activities. In 2024, its average concentration rose to 338.0 ppb, marking a 25% increase compared to pre-industrial levels. The WMO, a UN agency, works internationally to enhance our understanding of atmospheric science and meteorology. Monitoring weather, climate, and water resources is crucial for disaster mitigation and public safety. As we face these pressing climate challenges, let's stay informed and advocate for action. The future of our planet depends on it.